wanna build a snowman.
Or maybe you want to build a website. To be honest, it's not that difficult, especially with modern builders like Hostingers, which I'll use for this tutorial on how to create a website. Alright, the very first thing you'll need is a best website builder plan. There are two options here. I can't say that one or the other is better, it all depends on what you need. The premium plan includes tools and features ideal for small businesses, personal websites, and startups. This plan allows you to host up to 100 websites, provides free email accounts, and includes a drag and drop editor for easy customization. Additionally, the premium plan comes with a free domain name. The business plan builds on the premium offerings with more advanced e-commerce capabilities, including expanded payment options and advanced AI tools like heat maps to analyze visitor behavior. These tools help optimize conversions, making this plan ideal for those focused on growing their online store or scaling their business. After picking your plan, you'll also need to choose the planned length. I recommend going for longer options, as it'll save you money in the long run. And if you're not sure about committing, Hostinger also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just make sure you get it with a discount. Hosting and website builder providers always hide the best prices behind discounts, but I have the best one right here. Just scan this QR code or click on the link in the description. Alright, after you pick your plan, enter your details and proceed with the payment. Then confirm your email and you'll be directed to the setup page. Next, we'll have to set up a domain name. Hostinger allows you to register a domain during this process or connect one you already own. Luckily, with any of the Hostinger plans, you get a free domain for a year. Besides, Hostinger provides upfront renewal pricing for domains, helping you plan long-term costs more accurately. Try different domain names and extensions. Some combinations may cost just a few dollars annually, while others can reach several hundred. Alright, now that we have this sorted out, let me show you how to make a website. To do that, go to Websites, then click the Add Website button and select Hostinger Website Builder. AI is going to be your friend here. You'll then be prompted to describe your website. Choose a category, and add a title. Providing a detailed description helps Hostinger's AI customize the site to your needs, generating a design complete with relevant text and images. Within a few moments, your new website will be ready. Well, sort of. It'll need editing, of course. By the way, if you don't like what was created, you can just try again. And if you think it's a good enough starting point, click Edit Website to start customizing. Hostinger's drag and drop editor makes it simple to add or adjust text, images, and pages, allowing you to place elements precisely where you want them. This straightforward setup keeps the design process user-friendly, even for beginners. Moving sections around or adding new ones is just as simple. While there are just 15 core elements here, they cover all the essentials you'll need, from social icons and galleries to contact forms and custom code blocks. Hostinger keeps it streamlined. Let's try adding a gallery to see how it works. Drag the gallery element here and you'll see it's already preloaded with demo images, ready to be customized. Next, let's click Manage to start personalizing the gallery. You can easily upload images from your computer or choose from Hostinger's integrated stock image library, which is a real time saver since you don't have to leave the editor to search for high quality visuals. Once your images are set, click Edit Gallery to tweak the layout. I'll choose a masonry view for a sleek, staggered look, then adjust the number of items per row and close up the gaps between images. To make it pop, I'll add a subtle scale animation for that polished, professional touch. Hostinger's section library includes essentials like terms of service, forms, and shop blocks, with enough variety to cover most site needs. I'd love a few more animation options and deeper styling controls, but overall, Hostinger's selection strikes a solid balance between functionality and simplicity, keeping the site building process smooth and frustration-free. Now, since your starting website was created by AI, you might not like the style entirely. So let's dive into styling your website to give it the look that you want. Starting with color. Selecting the right shades might feel overwhelming, but the color settings make it a breeze. You'll see all the colors used in your design, complete with a count of how frequently each one appears. This makes it easy to tweak your palette and create a seamless look that speaks to your brand. Next up, let's talk fonts. In the text tab, you'll find some popular font pairings to get started, but the real magic happens when you dive into the font editor. Here, you can go all out and adjust variations, sizes, and line heights for different elements. Imagine a bold font making your H2 headers pop. paired with a subtle refined typeface for H3s. With a single click, you can unlock a whole library of fonts, giving you endless options to create a unique, cohesive style. Finally, check out the buttons and animation tabs for those finishing touches. You can choose from 3 button styles to keep things consistent and pick from 4 animation options to bring movement to your site. Just remember, a minimalistic approach often works best. A touch of subtle animation and sleek buttons can give your website a polished, modern feel that keeps visitors coming back. Hostinger's AI tools further streamline content creation, helping you quickly populate your site with relevant and optimized content. On the left, you've got an entire AI arsenal at your fingertips: logo maker, blog generator, AI writer, and more. While they're not groundbreaking on their own, these tools are perfect for anyone tackling a website solo, especially with limited experience. The AI image generator is impressively flexible. Get creative with your prompts and it usually delivers the goods. Just keep an eye on your credits. Hostinger gives you a limited amount when you first sign up, and after those run out, extra images will cost you. Consider it like having snacks in the pantry. Free until they're gone. Then it's a trip to the store. My personal favorite, the AI logo maker. It whipped up some nice non-copyrighted designs in seconds, which could save you the cost of hiring a designer. Sure, a pro designer might bring that extra flair, but for a simpler project, this tool could be all you need. What about the AI blog generator? This one can draft full blog posts based on a few keywords. It won't win a Pulitzer, but it's a time saver when you're working on SEO or beefing up blog content. Just expect to do a bit of editing afterward. But hey, it's like having a co-writer who doesn't need coffee breaks. Another handy addition is the AI heat map tool. It maps out hotspots on your website, the areas most likely to grab your visitors' attention before your site even goes live. While I can't verify the accuracy, if it's on point, this tool could be golden for new sites, especially small online stores looking to place buy buttons in the most eye-catching spots. Now, the AI page generator lets you quickly add a page. Just jot down a description and this tool will attempt to create it for you. I did notice it can struggle to interpret very specific requests, so keep your description simple and start with keywords. It's not perfect, but again, a good way to start. Definitely feels better than starting from a blank. And that's still not everything for AI tools. Usually SEO is the most difficult and frightening part for any beginner, but that really gets solved with the AI functionality that Hostinger offers. There are AI SEO tools that offer automated meta descriptions, sitemaps, and keyword suggestions, making it easier to increase visibility without requiring extensive SEO knowledge. It's super easy to set up. All you have to do is select the SEO AI assistant. Click on Generate New SEO Info, select 3 main keywords for your website, and that's it. You've got the basics. The SEO settings page gives you a preview of how your site will look in search results, complete with a progress bar to guide you through any areas that need improvement. How about Hostinger as a website builder e-commerce option? The business website builder plan includes everything necessary to set up and manage an online store. You can easily add products, set prices, and handle inventory, though the current limit supports up to 500 products. An ample limit for smaller stores, but potentially restrictive for larger businesses. But recently I've discovered that it's in the plans to remove this limit entirely. Hostinger is actively improving its offerings, and users can request additional features that may be introduced in the future. For instance, there is the appointments functionality. If you're a therapist, a barber, or any other specialist that deals with appointments, this tool is essential. You can find it by clicking on the 3 dots from the left side menu. Then, click on Enable Appointment and set your available times. Next, select Products from the left side menu and click on Add Product. There, select Appointment and fill in all the info required, like the title of the appointment, pricing, location, and so on. Then click on Save and go back to the editor. To make your appointment available, you'll have to add it as a product, either as a new page or section. Let's add it as a section right here. Choose the online store and a single product. Then edit section and select your created appointment. That's quite a few steps, but once you get used to it, you can fill your website really quickly. By the way, if you can't find something specific or are struggling in general and need some help, you can click on those 3 dots in the builder and select Help and Resources. Normally these things are not that helpful, right? But I gotta give credit to Hostinger here. There's plenty of information from articles to quick guides. Now, besides starting off completely with AI, we can also select a template. Just like with the AI Builder, go to Websites, then click the Add Website button and select Hostinger Website Builder. But instead of filling in all the info, click on or use pre-made templates at the bottom. There you'll have over 150 templates to choose from. And if you still want to use AI when editing the website, I'd recommend finding a template that has a personalized with AI tag. Yes, there aren't many of those, but it's still better than getting a random template when starting your website with the AI option. From there on out, the process is the same as with the AI website creation. Just fill in your brand name and add a description, and it'll automatically fill your chosen website template with relevant information. As always, don't forget you can try it over and over till you get what you like as your starting point. Next, in this how to create a website guide, let's jump into the general settings. First up, you'll find options to upload a favicon. Yeah, that tiny icon next to your site's name. You can upload it or have it generated by AI. Now, there's also a general link preview image that you can upload. It'll be used for the entire site unless you've uploaded different preview images for specific pages. Next, you can also enable a cookie banner and enter a custom message that will be shown to your visitors. The real power lies in the integration tab though. Here you can hook up popular tools like Google Analytics or WhatsApp. These integrations bring valuable insights and functionality to your site, whether it's tracking visitor behavior or offering real-time chat support. Speaking of real-time chat help, Hostinger recently added an AI assistant, which you can enable from the left side menu. It's just a few clicks and you'll have a 24/7 assistant to answer questions to your website visitors. Keep in mind it's still in beta, so it might not be able to help with every question asked, but it should get better with time. Now, for analytics, you don't have to rely solely on Google. Hostinger includes its own built-in analytics, which, while simpler, covers the essentials: order counts, customer locations, and sessions by device. It's a nice option if you're looking for quick insights without diving into an external tool. Once your settings are fine-tuned, it's showtime. Just hit that Go Live button. A pop-up will appear with a link to your brand new live site, plus an option to adjust your domain if needed. And here you have it. Your website is live and ready for the world. Overall, using the AI website builder feels easy and smooth most of the time, even though sometimes it does get slow and laggy. Now, if you want to get more customization for your website and decide to move your website to WordPress, there's an export option. Not everything can be exported, but it says right here what can be. So if you decide to make a switch, you don't have to move on from hosting. Alright, that's about it for this no-code website builder tutorial. So if you're ready to give it a go yourself, don't forget to use my discount for the best pricing available. You can get it by clicking the link in the description or just scanning this QR code. So, is Hostinger website builder good? Overall, yeah, it definitely is. It stands out for its simplicity, ease of use, and robust AI tools that make it a great website builder for beginners. We used intuitive drag and drop controls to customize our designs and tried out AI-driven content creation tools and seamless integrations with popular apps like Google Analytics and WhatsApp. Besides, with built-in analytics and straightforward SEO guidance, Hostinger provides everything you need to launch and grow your site confidently without prior experience. If you have questions or need any help, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm right here to help you make the most of your website journey. That'll be all in this Hostinger website builder tutorial. Just don't forget to like and subscribe before you go. Thanks for watching and see you soon.